Concealment Solutions Stealth Stash. It won't open here, here, or here. You have to push it here. It installs in 10 minutes. There's a video online. We also can do a keypad lockable insert that we'll show you in a minute.
This is a video of the drop shelf. Of course, you can see that the shelf is closed, and all you have to do is lift up on the lid and the bottom drops down, and whatever you have hidden inside is not seen by anyone until you lift the lid. When you are done and you want it closed, all you have to do is push up on it, and then it is closed.
This is a Concealment Solutions shelf defense. It doesn't get much simpler than this. We now offer these in a lock or unlock. That shelf's locked. That unlocks it. To leave it unlocked, push that button. It's unlocked. This just screws to your wall. 2 screws mounts it. You can put things on top. Cool lamp, huh?
That is an awesome lamp.
It's a cool lamp with a twist. It can hide jewelry, a gun,
Whoa.
on your nightstand, on your end table, coffee table, up on a shelf. That's a new product we just came out with. We're going to have several different models of this. This is a leopard wood with a maple inlet, but we can also do zebra wood with purple heart. We're pretty much unlimited as to what the wood species could be. We're going to be offering these in cherry and walnut initially, with them fully customizable.
So you can hide, you can conceal a weapon inside. You can also conceal valuables such as your wallet, keys, paperwork, jewelry, anything that you need to store that's valuable.
And they are lockable. When you remove the key, it's locked.
So without the key, you cannot open that.
I won't say you can't, but it won't open readily.
It's more difficult.
That makes it that gives it the concealment factor.
How cool. Hey Tony, it looks like we have a pretty cool footstool and a side table. What do you got?
Well, this is a retrofit kit you can put in your furniture. It can go into any piece of furniture. It's 14 by 14. That fits most tables and chairs. We're putting these in RVs and boats, pawn shops, convenience stores. These can go anywhere, and you can screw it into the bottom of the tabletop. It goes in upside down and mounts with 6 screws, and that's the trigger. The trigger is adjustable, so you can make it a hair trigger if you want. We suggest you leave it at a moderate pressure. This is something I want to mean to open. I don't want to inadvertently open this. But it can go in a footstool, a kitchen table, a poker table. We're limited by your imagination. Wherever you want to install this, it's a self-install kit. 6 screws puts it in, and you're ready to go.
So this could be used in a living room, a sitting room, a family room. And did you just touch the side of a side table and a concealment tray popped out?
Yeah, this is an end table or a nightstand.
So this provides instant access to my firearm or to my valuables like a wallet or currency or jewelry.
Or your remote controls. Whatever you want to put in it.
I do love my TV. Thanks, Tony.
You're welcome.
Where do I find this?
At our website, csi-hide.com. Ready? This is a Concealment Solutions surface mount picture frame. They are now lockable. To leave them unlocked, push this button and they're unlocked. To lock them, locked. We give you an adjustable strap for a weapon, or you can use it for jewelry or whatever you want to use it for. We have also developed a way to lock this stealth stash. This kit can be inserted into the stealth stash and screwed in from the back. It operates with a keypad or a proximity card that can open this and close it. It takes a little longer to get to, but if you're really concerned about locking a weapon or paperwork and you want to use the stealth stash, we have that opportunity.
You know, their police is a white car with like a black and orange logo of
I'm Tony with Concealment Solutions. I want to introduce you to our hidden doorways. This is a bifold door. It sits in front of the opening, so it doesn't matter what opening it's covering. These come in 6 foot wide by 8 foot tall and down to 4 foot wide by 80 inches tall. We can lock all these doors with a 600-pound electromagnet lock. This is our French door system. This would take the place of an existing opening, existing French door or bifold door. We can swing these in or out. We can lock these also with the electromagnet lock. We can customize them to suit your needs. That has a friction catch on it. We suggest the electromagnet lock, but we can also put a key lock on these if you're not worried about security. We can make these look like anything you want them to be as well. We can go up to 6 feet wide and 8 foot tall with this door.
Is this a hidden room door system as well?
It is. We can hide a closet or a bedroom, theater room. We hide a lot of theaters with these because of the width, and it gives you more clear opening to walk through.
Okay. Are these used for use?